Next method to find the correlation coefficient, that is assumed mean method, right? This is the shortcut method. First procedure, choose any random number from the set of x, first set of given data, and let it be a, and choose any random number from the set of y, that is second set of given data, let it be b. Sometimes capital A can be taken as a suffix x, and capital B can be taken as a suffix y, right? So notation, sometimes we will change the notation. Subtract a from every value of x, let it be dx. So difference, right? That is what dx, difference in x with respect to our assumed mean. A is assumed mean in x and b is the assumed mean in y, that is x minus a, difference. Similarly, subtract b from every value of y, let it be dy. Find, that is dy equal to y minus a. Multiply these subtracted values, that is multiply dx and dy, that is x minus a into y minus a. Then square the subtracted value. So then find dx square and dy square. Sum the multiplied values. So summation, so add all those things, dx dy, right? And sum the squared value. So add separately dx square and dy square, right? Substitute these values in the formula, that is r is equal to n into sigma dx dy minus sigma dx into sigma dy by root of n into sigma dx square minus sigma dx the whole square into root of n into sigma dy square minus sigma dy the whole square. N is the number of elements in the given data. If it is the frequency, then it is summation of the frequency, right? So interpretation, so same thing, right? If it is lies between 0.9 to 1, very high positive, 0.7 to 0.9 high positive, 0.5 to 0.7 moderate, 0.3 to 0.3 low positive, 0 to 0.3 so very less correlation, right? If it is in the minus, the same ratio. If it is in the minus, then negative, we will say negative, right? So we'll see the problems. So from the following information, find the correlation coefficient between x and y using Karl Pearson's coefficient of correlation method, right? So given data x and y. So first we are writing columns. So first write x data, then y data, then choose a, that is ax, a or ax. We are choosing 240 as a. So we are finding dx is equal to x minus a. So 80 minus 240, 120 minus 240, 90 minus 240. This is in the third column. 240 minus 240, 130 minus 240, 370 minus 240, 100 minus 240, 160 minus 240, that is dx. Then adding all those things, summation of dx is equal to minus 630. Similarly, now come to the second data, that is y. We are choosing 19 is our b or ay, right? Now we have to find y minus 19. So subtract 36 minus 19, 25 minus 19, right? Right, 15 minus 19, 28 minus 19, 19 minus 19, 20 minus 19, 22 minus 19. That is, we will get 17, 6, 14 minus 4, 9, 0, 1, 3. That is dy. So adding all those things, summation dy which is equal to 46. Now we are going to multiply column number 2 and 3. That is dx into dy. So minus 160 into 17. Minus 120 into 6, minus 150 into 16, etc., etc., minus 80 into 3. So you will get minus 2720, minus 720, minus 2100, 0, minus 990, 0, minus 140, minus 240. Adding all those things, you will get summation dx dy. So adding, you will get minus 6910. Next we are going to find dx square, that is column number 2 square. So we are squaring every numbers in the column 2, right? Minus 160 square 25600, minus 120 square 14400, minus 150 square 22500, 0 square 0, minus 110 square 12100, 130 square 16900, minus 140 square 19600, minus 80 square 6400. Adding all those things, sigma dx square is equal to 117500. Similarly, we are going to find dy square, that is column number 4 square, right? Column number 4. Before dx square is column number 3 square, dy square is column number 4 square. So 17 square, 6 square, 14 square, minus 14 square, etc., etc., 3 square. So adding all those things, you will get sigma dy square, that is 628. Here n is equal to number of items 8. So formula, so we are writing the formula n dx dy minus d sigma dx square sigma dy square square root of whole square root of n into sigma dx square minus sigma dx the whole square root of n sigma dy square minus sigma dy the whole square. Substituting the values from the table, you will get minus 0.6617. So this is in the moderate negative correlation, right? Next problem. From the following information, find the correlation coefficient between x and y using Karl Pearson's. So given data x and y, so now we are writing x, right, 10, 12, 13 in first column, second column y 19, 22, 26, etc., etc. Choosing a as 16, so finding dx, so x minus 16, so 10 minus 16, 12 minus 16, 13 minus 16, etc., etc., 25 minus 16. So you will get dx. Adding all those things, summation of dx is equal to 1. Similarly, we are choosing b or ay. Both are same. I am telling the notations, right? Sometimes we are using b, sometimes we are using ay, right? Both are same. So b is 29. So now we are finding y minus 29, 19 minus 29, 22 minus 29. So right, etc., etc. Last number in y is 37 minus 29. So adding all those things, you will get sigma dy, that is equal to minus 10. Then multiplying third column and fourth column, that is dx and dy. So adding all those things, summation of dx dy is equal to 185. Then third column square, that is dx square. So squaring all the numbers and adding, summation of dx square is equal to 159. And fourth column square, that is dy square, squaring all numbers in the fourth column and adding, sigma dy square is equal to 242. Then we are using the formula. Here n is equal to 7. So substituting all values from the table, you will get minus 0.6617. Here also moderate negative correlation. Next, you have to calculate the calculate correlation coefficient for the following heights of fathers, that is x, and their sons y. So father height and son height, that is xy data. So now we are writing in the table. So first we are choosing assumed mean, that is a from x, that is 68, and x minus 68. We are finding x minus 68 in the third column, that is called dx. Adding all those dx, right, difference, all those x minus 68 difference, you will get summation dx, that is equal to 0. Similarly, we are choosing 69 as b, that is assumed mean in y, right? So we are subtracting each number in y with 69, right? 67 minus 69, etc., etc. So adding all those things, you will get summation dy, that is equal to 0. Then multiplying third and fourth columns, so you will get dx and dy, that is minus 3 into minus 2 into minus 1, etc., etc. So adding all those things, summation dx dy is equal to 24. Next, squaring third column, that is dx square, minus 3 square, minus 2 square, minus 1 square, etc., etc. Adding all those things, summation dx square equal to 36. Similarly, fourth column square, that is dy square. So minus 2 square, minus 1 square, minus 4 square, etc., etc. So adding all those things, you will get sigma dy square, that is equal to 44. Here n is equal to 8. So writing the formula, substituting the values from the table, you will get 0.603, moderate positive. Next problem, calculate the coefficient of correlation between x and y. Right, x and y are given. So now we are writing in the table. So first x column and y column, then finding dx. Here we are choosing 5 is the assumed mean in x, right, that is a. So dx is equal to x minus 5. So subtracting each number in x with 5, you will get my 1 minus 5, 3 minus 5, 4 minus 5, etc., etc. So that is dx. So summation of all those things, you will get summation dx is equal to 3. Similarly, we are choosing 10 from y, that is assumed mean, that is b. So we are finding y minus 10. We are subtracting each number in y with 10. So 2 minus 10, 6 minus 10, etc., etc. So adding all those things, you will get sigma dy, that is equal to 6. Next, multiplying third column and fourth column, that is dx into dy, minus 4 into minus 8, minus 2 into minus 4, etc., etc. Adding all those things, you will get summation dx dy equal to 118. Next, third column square, that is dx square, squaring all numbers in the third column, minus 4 square, minus 2 square, minus 1 square, etc., etc. Adding all those things, you will get summation dx square equal to 59. Then last column, that is fourth column square, that is dy square. So squaring all numbers in the fourth column, minus 8 square 64, minus 4 square 16, etc., etc. Adding all those things, you will get sigma dy square is equal to 236. Here n is equal to 7, right? Then using the formula, so you will get 0.2376. So positive correlation negligible, right? Very low. Thanks.